my name is Martin and I work in the support and repair department. And today we will show you how you can calibrate an analog output using our gas warning device MSC2. For the calibration itself, you will need either a display, or if your device don't have a display, then you will need one of our tools. For example, the STL06, our handheld tool, or if you want to use the tool in combination with a computer, then you will need the PCE06. In addition, you will also need an electricity measuring device to measure the current of the AO. And now we show you how you can perform the calibration.
Please service our gas detectors at regular intervals. This is the only way we can guarantee accurate measurement results. Calibration is important, otherwise there may be deviations between the digital measured value and the analog output. To do this, first disconnect the device from the power supply. Then we open the device by loosening all 4 screws and carefully lifting off the cover. Now we remove the resistor and instead connect the test probes of the multimeter to the analog output and ground. In this example, to the terminal X12, 3 and 4. Now we need the tool PCE06, which has several connectors. We connect the USB plug to our laptop and the 4-pin plug to the MSC2. If there is a display, it must be disconnected. Then please switch the device back on and wait for the warm-up time. If the device is in a fault-free state, the multimeter should display approximately 4 mA, but this may be vary depending on the sensor type and the configuration of the analog output. Now open the application on the PC that is located in the internal memory of the tool. In the opened application, you can then connect to the tool in the upper left corner by selecting the correct COM port. After that, all windows with the parameter settings and the measured values of the sensors appear. To get started, you must first activate the special mode and then open the calibration menu. The first page of the menu displays the area for the report data. The data must be entered in order to access the following pages. However, the report is only relevant for the calibration of the sensor and not for the calibration of the analog output, so any data can be entered here. To calibrate the analog output, go to the Analog Output Calibration submenu. To ensure that the correct analog output has been selected, an AO test can be carried out, as shown in this example. Calibrate the analog output by clicking on the Step 1 Display button. The menu and the multimeter now display approximately 20 mA. Now click on the Step 2 Calculate button and use the arrow keys to set the analog output to 20 mA. Click on Step 3 Save to save the process. The multimeter and the menu display should now show approximately 4 mA. Now close the calibration window, deactivate special mode and close the application on your laptop. For safety reasons and to avoid a short circuit, the device is now disconnected from the power supply. After that, remove the multimeter and the connector for the PCE06, and if it is already in place, the resistor at terminal X12, 3 and 4. Please do not forget to reconnect the display of the MSC2 if present. Now you can close the cover again and tighten the screws. After switching on and the warm-up time, the green LED of the MSC2 should light up.
We hope that we have been able to help you with this video, and for more how-to videos, just visit our YouTube channel.